just woke up, guys, so this is my hair in natural light, like this. As you can see, it's like it's not too bright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to dye my hair using crepe paper. I'm going to use this green turquoise color. I actually dyed my hair black, but over time, after many washes, my hair, the lower part of my hair turned brownish. I'm gonna show you how to dye your hair using crepe papers. You will need bowl, salt, scissor, and of course crepe paper. Then cut it out into small pieces and put it into the bowl. Put some salt and boiling hot water. Mix it up and then let it sit for a few minutes before you soak your hair into the bowl. I'm just gonna put some gloves on because the dye from the crepe paper is really strong, guys. I think it's better to tie the hair so that the hair don't go anywhere else. This is what I do also in the past. I just tie the hair and then just soak it to the bowl, just like this. So, are you ready, guys? So, okay. You see, it's already have like color. So make sure all the hair got, you know, colored or got wet from the crepe paper water bowl. So I'm just gonna leave it for like maybe a few minutes, not 5 minutes, that's so long. I think around 2 minutes. Okay, hey Siri, timer 2 minutes.
2 minutes starting now.
I don't know what is in the crepe paper, but it's really work on dyeing the hair and stuff. Oh my god. Okay, the alarm is done. Okay. See, my hair got so thin, guys, you know, sign of aging. So I'm gonna use the aluminum foil. I usually like, this is what I did. Oh, wait lang. Let me do this first. So it's like that. Oh my god, my ear. So this is what I do in the past, guys. Just rub it with aluminum foil. So it's kind of like in the salon when they bleach your hair and stuff. It's help to develop the color or to the process, to make the process fast. So they use the aluminum foil. So I'm gonna use it so that, you know, it helps maybe to make it more vibrant color. I don't know, but this is what I did in the past as well. So it worked and probably work now. Okay, the second hair. I'm just gonna soak it again for 2 minutes. Hey Siri, timer 2 minutes please. The problem with this is kind of like messy, but once you're doing it for so long, it's actually like you will know the technique how to do properly, or so you don't make so much mess. 2 minutes is actually pretty long. Okay, the 2 minutes has gone by and I'm just gonna squeeze out some of the liquid. Oh my god. Ta-da! Yeah. Oh my god. Guys, they're on the floor. So I usually leave this, the aluminum foil, like this for like 20 minutes. When I do the crepe paper hair dye, guys, I don't wash the hair. I usually wash it the next day. Hey guys, it's been 20 minutes and I just put another gloves because I just don't want to touch this. Seems like it have some color. So I'm gonna dry this part of my hair first. gonna use my t-shirt. Because this is my house t-shirt anyway, so I'm just gonna use this to dry it a bit. You can see there's some greenish. It's really hard to see because it's still so wet, but you can see in the strand that has some green. Oh, it's actually look nice. I think so. I'm just the Lulu. As it dries, guys, the color has become more vibrant. When your hair dry, that's when you really see the real color of your hair. Oh my god, I really make it up. I should have put like more in here, like spray or something. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side of my head. But crepe paper, guys, they're so strong, but washable over time is only temporary. So you don't have to worry like in here in my clothes. It's just gonna wash it out in the washing machine. So it's still a bit wet. I'm just gonna blow dry and style my hair, and you can see the final result. So this is the final result. I curl my hair and have a bit of ombre because I have really short hair, so it become more shorter when I curl my hair. So this is in the other side. So I really have thin hair, guys. Always have a thin hair, but I feel like it's even more thinner now that I'm older. So I'm just gonna show you the back of my head. It's actually a nice combination. What do you think? Do you think of the hair color, guys? Like really nice combination. So guys, yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any more questions, just comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, see you on my next video. Just woke up, guys. This is my hair in natural light, like this. Nice. It's just low-key, but it's still like you can see it, but it's not like too much that draw attraction that you look like I don't know, a cartoon, anime or something. Dye my hair with this color again because I really like it.